Hello everyone. Today we are seeing about a user-friendly vaccine. Do you have any fear about needles? Don't worry, this vaccine will solve the issue. Come. We already said that our researchers are doing good like DNA vaccine studies. Today we are seeing about a DNA vaccine which is developed by South Korea. The name of the vaccine, it is GX19, that is Genexin. CEO Yang Chul-sung said it's the first domestic vaccine trial to be approved by South Korea's Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. What is DNA vaccine? The DNA vaccines are third generation vaccine. They contain DNA that codes for the specific proteins, that is antigens from a pathogen. The DNA is injected into the body and taken up by the cells whose normal metabolic processes synthesizes protein based on the genetic code in the plasmid that they have taken up. Because these proteins contain regions of amino acid sequences that are characteristics of bacteria or viruses, they are recognized as foreign, and when they are processed by the host cells and displayed on their surfaces, the immune system is altered, which is then triggers immune responses. What are the advantages? There is no risk of infection. Antigen presentation by both MHC class 1 and class 2 molecules. Polarized T cell response towards type 1 and type 2. Immune response focused on an antigen interest. Ease of development and production, stability for storage and shipping, and also it is cost effectiveness. Adverse effect, limited to protein immunogens, that is not useful for the non-protein based antigens such as bacterial polysaccharides. Risk of affecting genes controlling cell growth, that is citation is needed. Possibility of inducing antibody production against DNA. Possibility of tolerance to the antigen, that is protein produced. Detailed description. This clinical study is phase 1 and 2, a clinical trial to evaluate the safety, tolerability and the immunogenicity of COVID-19 preventive vaccine by intramuscularly administration in healthy volunteers. The phase 1 of this study is designed as dose escalation, single arm, open label, and a total of 60 subjects will be enrolled. The phase 2A study is designed as randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled, and a total of 150 subjects are planned to be enrolled. Collaboration: Genexin has joined with PT Cal Pharma TBK for the Indonesian trials, with whom it shares a joint venture company. The Thai trials are likely to go through Genexin's joint venture partner Kingen Holdings, with whom it is established Kingen Biotech in September 2019. Due to the close collaboration between the consortium members and the rapid evaluation of the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, the trial was approved within 3 months. The approval marks the world's first trial for a jet injector method COVID-19 vaccine, the company said. The method has the advantages of excellent user convenience and portability. As the vaccine are injected without needles, the patients who fear needles, such as children, can comfortably and safely receive the COVID-19 vaccine. It's worth, let's wait for this user-convenient vaccine. See you on Friday. Thank you.